Hello students, today we'll start the exercise 2.4. In last video we completed the exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Question number 1 is Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? It is given that Amina thought a number. Okay, Amina thoughts a number. If we subtract 5 by 2 from 8 and multiply that result by 8, the number so obtained is 3 times the same number which Amina thought. And we have to find that number which Amina thought. Okay, so we have to let a number, because we are not Amina, we don't know which number, that number which Amina thought. So that's why first we let that number that Amina thought be x. Then we subtract 5 by 2 from it and multiplied it by 8, and which is equals to the 3 times of the same number which Amina thought. Okay, so let's solve the question number 1. Okay, so first we'll let that number which Amina thought. So let Amina thought of number be x. We can take any variable here in place of x, y, z, a, b, c, but always a small alphabet. Now according to the question, and according to question it is given, when we subtract 5 by 2 from the number which Amina thought. So Amina thought x. So x minus 5 upon 2. When we subtract 8 from when we subtract 8 to it, the result is obtained is 3 times the number which she thought. So number which she thought is x. So 3 times of x, and we have to multiply this bracket with 8. Now this is an equation. So first we'll solve the bracket. We'll open this bracket with respect to 8. So multiply this 8 with both terms of bracket. So 8 into x is 8x, and 8 into minus 5 by 2 is minus 8 into 5 by 2 equal 3 into x is 3x. We can cancel this 8 by 2 4 times. Now 8x minus 4 into 5 is 20 equal 3x. Now this is a linear equation in one variable, but variable in both sides. So first we'll transfer the variable terms to either of the side, in LHS or in the RHS side. The side which I prefer, you always transfer the variable terms to LHS side. So we'll transfer this 3x to LHS side. So plus 3x becomes minus 3x equal minus 20 becomes plus 20. We can also transfer this 8x to the RHS side, but in the last step we have to transfer the variable to this side, and the answer means the value of x to the this side, means we have to interchange the LHS and RHS in the last step when if we transfer 8x to the RHS side. That's why first always remember we'll always transfer the variable terms to the LHS sides. Now 8x minus 3x is 5x equal 20. Now we have to find the value of x, so transfer 5. So x equal 20 upon 5, and 20 upon 5 is 4. So value of x is 4. So what is the x? What we let in the starting? X is the number which Amina thought. So the number which Amina thought is 4. So if we subtract 5 by 2 from 4 and multiply it by 8, so what it is? It is 3 times of x. 3 times of x is 3 times of 4, which is 12. So you have to check whether it is correct or not. So the number, thus Amina thought of the number is 4. That's it. This is the solution of question number 1. Okay, only we have to let the number x, and we have to apply that conditions which has given. that first we have to subtract 5 by 2 from the number and we have to multiply it by 8. The number which is obtained is 3 times of the same number which the Amina thought. So Amina thought is x, so 3 into x. Then we have to solve it, and after that we'll get that number which Amina thought. So that is 4. Now the question number 2. And the question number 2 is a positive number is 5 times. Okay, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Here we have to find two numbers. Okay, two numbers in which a positive number, both are positive number, in which one of them is 5 times the another number. And if 21 is added to both numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Means the bigger number, the greatest number among both of them becomes 2 times the new number, and we have to find that numbers. Okay, so let's see the solution. So first we'll let the numbers, because we don't know the either of the number. So first we'll let the numbers are x and 5x, because it is given that a positive number is 5 times the another number. So if smaller number is x, then the bigger number is 5 times of that number. So 5 times of x is 5x. Okay, it is the first sentence of the question is a positive number is 5 times the another number. So the first number is x, then the another number is 5 times of the 5 times of the first number, which is x. So 5 into x is 5x. Now according to the question, according to the question, it is we have to add 21 to the both numbers. Okay, we have to add 21 to both numbers. So one is the x and second one is 5x. So 5x equal x. If we have to add 21 to both numbers, so we added 21 here in both numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. So this number, the x plus 21, it becomes twice, means 2 times of the other number. Other number is 5x plus 21. Okay, here we multiply 2 to this new number x plus 21. It is not given to which number is 2 times the number, means 5x plus 21 is 2 times of x plus 21, or x plus 21 is 2 times of 5x plus 21. Means we have to think which number is 2 times. So here compare these two numbers, x and 5x. Which one is greatest? 5x. Okay, if x is the 2, then what is the 5x, which is 10. So this is the greatest between these two numbers. Okay, if we add 21 to the 5x and to the x, okay, then also the 5x plus 21 is greater than x plus 21. When they will equal, okay, if we multiply 2 to 5x plus 21, then again it is greater than to the x plus 21. Okay, and we are using equal sign because this is an equations questions, so we have to make them equal, LHS and RHS part equal. Okay, we have to make them equal. So that's why if we multiply this 2 to the x plus 21, then it maybe becomes double of the 5x plus 21, or in this case they are LHS and RHS, both sides are equals to each other. That's why we multiplied this 2 to x plus 21. Okay, now we have to solve that. We have to first we'll open this bracket with respect to 2. So 5x plus 21 remains as it is, 2 into x. 2 into x is 2x, and 2 into 21 is 42. So this is a linear equation in one variable, but variable in both sides. I already explained this type of equation in exercise 2.3. Now transfer the variable terms to one of the sides, means transfer 2x to the LHS, so minus 2x. Now 42 will remain, and transfer this constant 21 to RHS sides. So 42 minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x. 42 minus 21 is 21. Now we have to find the value of x, so we'll transfer 3 to the RHS side. So let's transfer 3 to the RHS side. So x equal 21 upon 3, and 21 upon 3 is 7. So the smaller number is 7. Okay, so the smaller number x is 7, and the larger number is, which is 5x. So 5x equal 5 into 7, and 5 into 7 is 35. Okay, so thus the required numbers are 7 and 35. Okay, so the required numbers are 7 and 35. So only what we have to do in these types of question, we have to do only according to the question, and we have to let the numbers which is given, which we have to find. Okay.